एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। Embodiment of Divine Souls, Amma's most beloved sweet children, my special motherly love to all of you on this auspicious Ganesha festival time. This is very, very powerful day. When we wake up early in the morning between 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock, we have a beautiful scene in the sky, especially Ganesha festival day. A big trunk of Ganesha face was visible in the sky, in the cosmos. Under the trunk of Ganesha, we have so many stars they look just like a small mouse, like a rat, Ganesha rat. And this big ears and the trunk, it looked like absolutely Ganesha face. That is the day, Ganesha Chaturthi day. In the month of Bhadrapada Masam, we have this special Ganesha Puja day comes. This year, for a lot of challenges we are facing, 4 times unusually Kalasarpa dosham comes for the world. For that reason, definitely we have to do the Ganesha Puja to escape from all kind of the challenges in the world. A morning time, early in the morning, any vratam time comes, any special puja time comes, that time early in the morning we have to wake up and take the head shower. Just offer some milk on your Sahasrara Chakra and then again take one more time shower and then wear the clean dress. What kind of dress we have to wear on the Ganesha festival time? Green color, because Mercury is green color planet. So that's why we are using lot of green leaves for Ganesha Puja time. Who is this Ganesha? Ganesha was nothing but the Parabrahma. In the Vedic literature, Ganesha nature was described in such a beautiful way. Ganesha is the Sakshat Parabrahma, the ultimate goal of the supreme truth. In the Atharva Sirshopanishad, Ganesha was described, he was nameless, formless, consciousness, beyond time, beyond descriptions, and beyond anything also, Vedas and everything. So that is Ganesha. Ganesha is Sakshat Parabrahma. Tvam Brahmatvam, Vishnustvam, Rudrastvam, Indrastvam, Agnistvam, Vayustvam, Suryastvam, Chandramastvam, Brahma Bhurbhuvaswarapa Om. Very beautiful, Ganesha mantram, how it comes, all the things are described in the Ganesha Atharva Sirshopanishad. So this day, 8 clay pots you have to take, put in the 8 directions. You have to write a beautiful swastik mark with the red color. In the middle of the swastik mark, you have to place the jade Ganesha. And then in the 8 directions, you have to put 8 clay pots. In the 8 clay pots, you have to put the cow ghee and also green color wick you have to put and lit the lamps. And invoke the Ganesha in the jade Ganesha, pray Ganesha, and chant the Ganesha mantra. You know already Ganesha mantra, all of you. With the Ganesha mantra, take 108 grass blades and do the puja to Ganesha. Offer the haldi, kumkum, some red color flowers. Offer 8 red color fruits for Ganesha. 8 diyas for Ganesha. And also have 8 additional diyas in a one plate and give harati with the green wicks for the Ganesha. This is the puja you have to do for Ganesha early in the morning. After sunrise also you have to do the puja. Then chant Ganesha mantra at least more than 8,000 times this day. Especially if you do Ganesha puja on this day, the super intellectual power awaken within yourself like anything. All kinds of the obstacles are completely go away from the life. You got so much relaxation from all kinds of the challenges, hindrances, problems, tribulations and all kinds of the doshas will just disappear from the life with the grace of Ganesha. Definitely do this puja. Ganesha, worshipped by, he is called Brahmanaspati. Om Gananam Tva Ganapatigim Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upavasravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspati. He was Brahmanaspati, means it was a big word in the Veda. Devatas, Gandharvas, Yaksha, Kinnera, Kimpurusha, Rishis, Munis, all the holy persons worshipped Ganesha. Why they worship Ganesha? Because Ganesha is nothing but the Kundalini Shakti. In so many Puranas, the story of Ganesha comes. In the Shiva Puranam it comes. In the Ganesha Puranam it comes. In the Vedas, lot of mantras for Ganesha. Ganesha is nothing but the Supreme Parabrahman. In the Kruta Yugam, Ganesha came in the form of the Mahotkata Ganesha. He was seated on the line with the 10 hands. Very beautiful. And then in the Treta Yugam, Ganesha came on the peacock with the 6 hands. 6 hands, and the peacock vehicle is, it looked like a Subramanya, but it is also Ganesha. And in the Dwapara Yugam, he came with the 4 hands. In the Dwapara Yugam, on the small rat, like a mouse, no? He came on the rat, that is the vehicle, with the 4 hands. In the Kali Yugam, only 2 hands. This is a Ganesha form. There were so many Ganesha forms. 32 Ganesha forms are worshipped in India. Some of the Ganesha temples, we have all the 32 forms of the Ganesha. Sri Ganesha, Maha Ganesha, Lakshmi Ganesha, Veera Ganesha, Shakti Ganesha, Nrutya Ganesha, Vigna Ganesha, Sri Bija Ganesha, Dundi Ganesha. Dundi Ganesha was in Kasi Kshetram, in front of the temple, Dundi Ganapati. And then Pingala Ganapati, Haridra Ganapati, Prasanna Ganapati, Vatapi Ganapati, Heramba Ganapati, Vakratunda Ganapati, Varasiddhi Ganapati, Chintamani Ganapati, Sankashtahara Ganapati. Sankashtahara Ganapati, very powerful. People worship Sankashtahara Ganapati on Sankashtahara Chaturthi day. And Trilokya Mohana Ganapati. There are so many forms of Ganapati. Bala Ganapati, Taruna Ganapati, Uchishta Ganapati, Unmatta Ganapati, Vijaya Ganapati. It's a blessing of education for the world. Durga Ganapati, Vijaya Ganapati, Trakshara Ganapati, Trimukha Ganapati, Dvimukha Ganapati, Panchamukha Ganapati. Thousands of varieties of Ganapati is there. So we just love Ganapati like our own brother. So before we are walking outside, we have to be in front of us. We will come behind you. Say that to Ganesha every day. You are always under the protection, guidance of Ganesha. Ganesha never give up your hand.
Gam Gam Ganesham Praprathama Pujam गणेशं भवानी तनूजम्।
Ganesha Puja is very appropriate to do Ganesha Puja, especially on the month of this Bhadrapada Masam, especially on this Ganesha festival time. So if you observe silence and just communicate only with Ganesha, talk with Ganesha, tie the Rakhi to the Ganesha hand, talk with him, tell all your challenges to Ganesha only. If you have nobody to speak with you, just tell all your problems, all your pains, everything, no, you have to tell to Ganesha. Definitely, I'm sure Ganesha listen all your problems. Not only listen your problems, definitely all the problems are solved by Ganesha. That is the beauty of Ganesha. Today, not only in Bharat, all over the world, people worship Ganesha with a lot of different varieties of the leaves, and also wood apple and sugar canes, modukas. Ganesha like it, sweet, and laddu he likes so much. Now, what all the prasadams available for you, you have to offer that. If you have not any of these things, don't worry about all those things. Just offer 8 fruits for Ganesha. After your puja, you have to make some dough with the wheat flour, and then put some ghee in that. 8 wicks you have to use for that diyas for harati. That is also specially with the green color. This day, 8,000 times mantra japam is very essential. That much is not possible. How much is possible for you? That much mantra japam you have to try to do the mantra japam. If you have any special mala, Ganesha garland, like the small jade Ganesha with the garland, you have to wear around your neck. Do the puja to that garland, and the Ganesha you have to wear around your neck. It is the greatest protection. All your puja is preserved in that Ganesha where you placed in the swastik mark. Any circumstances, children, don't find fault in people. No, we have to spread our love in the world. That's why we are here in this world. Whenever we see mostly good things in the world, we are mostly grow like anything in ourselves. All the time we are finding fault only in the people, the spiritual growth will stop in our life. Let Ganesha have to bless you with spiritual growth and not finding any fault in other people. And we have to be very loving nature within ourselves. We have to cultivate more that loving nature and love God like anything. So you are not separated from Ganesha. Ganesha is the ultimate light, ultimate goal. So finally, some of the mantras, they say, Om Namo Vratapataye, Namo Ganapataye, Namah Pramadapataye, Namastastu Lambodara, Ekadamtaya, Vigna Vinasine, Sivasutaya, Sri Varavaradamurtaye, Namo Namaha. Finally, this meaning of this mantra is, you are the ultimate, the supreme truth. Beyond all the scriptures, beyond Vedas, beyond words, beyond our imaginations, beyond all of our thinkings, you are beyond everything. We have to reach your feet and definitely do the mantra japam, meditation, get the blessing of Ganesha on this day. Pray for Ganesha. Ganesha is your own brother. Let Ganesha blessings for all the children in the entire world on this auspicious Ganesha festival time. I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much by listening my words. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.